Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and you're listening to my new PRUNUS radio. It's the J-155, brand new. They just released it, and they were nice enough to send me one for review, and so far it looks really promising. Also, I want to point out that Mike sent me a new poster, so you can read the name of my show easier. The other one, this was red, and my camera didn't pick it up very well. Thank you, Mike, for doing that. And this radio has many functions. It's AM, it's FM, it's shortwave from 3.2 to 21.35 megahertz, Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your cell phone. And as you just saw, it has a TF card player. So that's what I've got plugged in the side here. Music downloaded from the Amazon free library. Comes with a manual. Short, but it gives you everything you need to know. Charging cord, it's USB charge, built-in battery. The battery, I believe, is 900 milliamp hours, 850 milliamp hours. Lithium battery. Has many functions. As I mentioned, a few of them. Plus, it has clocks. It has timers. It will come on at a predetermined time that you set up, so it will wake you up in the morning, either with an alarm or radio. The sound, as you heard, is fantastic. Has a headphone jack, which can be stereo. Has ATS, automatic tuning and storing. Let me just show you this up close. And the thing I really like, let me turn it back on, is a huge, bright display. Now, somebody complained about the radio I reviewed a couple of shows ago about this display being so small. Well, you're not going to have that problem with this one. This is bright. Various modes. We've got memory mode and or scan, tuning up and down, mode select, and then up here we have a memory selection once you've done a scan, and some other functions that I have not used. Over here is volume up and down, power. Here we have the TF card slot, the headphone jack, and the charging connection. It does not have a removable battery. And one thing that I notice is the base here is not flat, so you can't stand it up, which is probably a good idea, because if you extend this telescopic antenna, it's going to tip over easy. You don't want to do that. So I just use this little stand like this. That works great. Comes with a carrying strap. I'm always wishing, I'm never satisfied, I wish it had an optional belt clip or a little holster, so that this could be clipped on to your belt. I would be a little leery of putting this on your belt. You could do that, but if you jog, for instance, that might eventually wear through. So that's just the only thing I found that I wish it had. Let's turn it back on here. And let's go to mode. There's FM, there's AM, there's shortwave, and Bluetooth. And back to TF card. Okay, let's go to AM. Let's go to AM. There's AM. It does require you to point it in the correct direction to get distant signals. I did a scan earlier and I got all the available stations that are within 20 miles of me. Did a great job. And it turned itself off again. Same way with FM. It actually found more FM stations than were on my list. I had 43 on the list. I think it found 48. So FM reception is great. I did do a shortwave band scan this morning before sunrise. It found 4 stations, of which they were all from Radio Martini, and they came in loud and clear on 4 different frequencies. That's all I found. Antenna, telescopic antenna, is longer than I thought it would be. It's about 2 feet long, which is longer than I thought it would be. Again, it makes the radio imbalanced when you have that up. So that, I think that's why they made the bottom here so it's not flat, so you don't have a tendency to try to stand it up. So again, I use this little stand right here. The speaker, it does an excellent job. It does an excellent job. Let me go back to Bluetooth mode. There, no, it's not Bluetooth mode. TF card mode. And let it play. And we'll turn the volume back up. Let's listen to the audio as much as my camera will pick it up. Excellent, and plenty of volume. I can feel that bass, boom, boom. Amazing. Yep. That is great audio. And the display, oh, it's so easy to read. You can read this display across the room. Now, I haven't looked into seeing if you can set it so the display stays on. I like to do that sometimes. But of course, it will drain the battery. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. I want to thank them for sending me this radio. I have reviewed over the years many of their radios from PRUNUS, and they've all been great radios. Good price, lots of features, good reception. They've all been good. I was thankful that they sent me this one. It just got on the market. Let me turn around and look on Amazon. It's on sale right now for 20% off, $23.99, plus there's an additional 10% off right now. Sorry it took so long. I got a new wireless mouse, and it goes to sleep to conserve the battery. And so you have to click it a couple of times before it's active again. Sorry for the delay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Bye-bye.